guys, we are the Become Independent Study Team. Introducing me, Ilham Sanabari, and then my friends, there are Yogi Dian Kusuma and M. Hairul Sani. Our independent study discusses enzyme coffee. That is how coffee samples are treated using polyphenol oxidase enzyme derived from agricultural waste such as duku skin, banana skin, and others. What is the effect of enzyme treatment on coffee samples? Let's go discuss this more fully. Okay, and here we will extract several agricultural waste samples starting from banana skin, duku skin, and others. First thing, we cut that skin into small pieces. Then we wash and blend it with polyspot buffer pH 7 added. After that, we centrifuged and took the spermatogen. Yeah, we got the curd extract. The first dry process. The sample were put into freeze dry for 18 hours at 4 degrees Celsius and then pure results were obtained. For the enzyme activity testing process, what we do? Testing the activity of the enzyme curd extract was carried out by adding phosphate buffer pH 6.5 and catechol after homogenizing the sample in cubed for 30 minutes and denaturate at 100 degrees Celsius and then test with a UV spectrophotometer at a wavelength of 420 nanometers and then calculate X activity. The protein content testing is carried out by determining the maximum wavelength and the calibration curve. After that, the protein content is tested by adding enzyme pure solution in a 10 mm polymeter flask and then adding distilled water to the limit mark and test on the UV spectrophotometer. The salting out moments. To get a pure enzyme, we need to precipitate the enzyme using 80% ammonium sulfate. 100 ml crude extract was mixed with 47.6 grams ammonium sulfate slowly and centrifugate for 30 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius, 3000 rpm, and the precipitate was taken. The dialysis process. The dialysis process. After obtaining the sediment from salting out, dialysis is continued in order to reduce the salt content in the enzyme. The replacement of phosphate buffer in the dialysis process is carried out twice, namely 6 hours and 12 hours. The principle of dialysis is to separate small molecules with the help of a semi-permeable membrane. Prepared samples were put into the walls on the gel. Electrophoresis process is run with the provision of the reverse current like 50 mA voltage 100 for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, the process was resumed with the provision of using an alternating current of 50 mA 116 voltage for 120 minutes. For the SDS electrophoresis process was stopped when the sample had reached like 1/2 cm from the gel boundary. Next, the gel was removed from the glass plate and rinsed with distilled water. Then, color using the staining solution and cleaned using staining solution. For the treatment coffee, raw Robusta cherry coffee is mixed with polyphenol oxidase enzyme in a ratio of 1 ml enzyme with 20 grams of coffee. After which it was allowed to stand for 60 minutes and was using distilled water, dried, and roasted then ground. Physiochemical analysis like pH test, total acid content test, caffeine test. In the physiochemical analysis, we do three types of testing. First, The pH test is quite simple in this test. 1 gram of coffee is brewed using 20 milliliters of hot water at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. After cold, is tested using a pH meter. Secondly, total acid content test. 1 gram of coffee is brewed using 20 milliliters of hot water at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius and filtered. After which it is added 1% of phenolphthalein indicator for 2 drops, and then titrate using 0.1 normal of natrium dioxide. For the caffeine test process, 1 gram of coffee sample is dissolved with 20 milliliters of water at 80 degrees Celsius, cooled and filtered, then stir while adding sodium carbonate. Add 25 milliliters of chloroform to the sample, then spirited with a spiriting funnel. That filter was then diluted and measured with a UVB spectrophotometer at a wavelength of 280 nanometers.